Everyone, so today I'm going to report one of the method that uses in preserving a food. Smoking. Smoking is a very ancient way of processing food developed when mankind first learned how to control fire. It is used to preserve meat and fish subjected to the drying action of smoke over several days. Smoking is often preceded by salting. It brings color to food as well as a different taste. At the end of the smoking process, the new finished product is ready for consumption. Smoking is the process of flavoring, cooking, or preserving food by exposing it to the smoke from burning or smoldering plant material, most often wood or hardwood. Smoking also imparts flavor to the food, usually meat items, and smoke helps keep bacteria-carrying insects away during the drying process. The process of preserving food to avoid food shortage and also food smoking is an old as the invention of the fire for cooking. So these are the types by method of application in smoking. So we have a cold smoking. Cold smoking differs from hot smoking in that the food remains raw rather than cooked throughout the smoking process. Smokehouse temperature for cold smoking are typically done between 20 to 30 degrees Celsius or 68 to 86 degree Fahrenheit. In this temperature range, food take on a smoke flavor but remain relatively moist. Cold smoking does not cook foods, and as such, meats should be fully cured. Cold smoking. Cold smoking can be used as a flavor enhancer for items such as cheese or nuts, along with meat such as chicken, breast, beef, pork chop, salmon, scallops, and steak. So next we have smokehouse. A smokehouse or smokery is a building where meat or fish is cured with smoke. The finished product may be stored in the building sometimes for a year or more. Even when smoke is not used as a building, typically a subsidiary building is sometimes referred to as smokehouse. When smokehouse is not used, the term meat house or meat house is common. So next we have liquid smoke. Liquid smoke, a product derived from smoke compound and water is applied to food throughout spraying or dipping. And the last one, we have a commercial smokehouse. Commercial smokehouse, mostly made from stainless steel, have independent system for smoke generation and cooking. Smoke generation use friction and electric coil or a small flame to ignite sawdust on demand. Heat from steam coil or gas flame is in balance with live stream or water spray to control temperature and humidity. Elaborate air handling system reduce hot or cold spot to reduce variation in the finished product. Racks on wheels or reels are used to hold the product and facilitate movement. So what are the benefits of food smoking? So here are some of the benefits of food smoking. So number one, enhanced flavor. Smoking imparts a unique smoky flavor to the food. This enhanced color increases taste and aroma of the food, making it more delicious than the normal method of cooking. And the next one, we have better food texture. Food smoking also enhances the color and texture of the food after cooking. It gives us a good charred brown color to the meat, making it tender and succulent. And we have decreased rate of food poisoning. As food smoking alters the chemical composition of food, it creates unfavorable condition for bacterial growth. This lower the rate of food poisoning, preserving its quality for a long period. And then increase shelf life. This goes and said that food smoking helps to increase the shelf life of almost every food, as smoking reduces bacterial growth. It helps to prevent contamination of the food when stored for a longer time. So that's all for today. Thank you for listening.